everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of October 22nd to the 28th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. We're going to be using this kit called Spell on You. And again, I have to apologize because I forgot to pre-record the pages before I started using them. But I've already recorded next week, so then I can get back on track on doing that. So what I'm doing first is I'm going to lay down the bottom washi. Now what I've seen, I think J. Crew Plans and Scribble Prints Co. Andrea, what they have been doing lately, and I really like the idea, is putting down the washi first and then not cutting the washi from the kit down, just laying it down and then cutting it where it actually needs to be, so you actually get more of a straight line and you don't get the weird, like, one's really big and one's really small kind of thing. So I thought I'd give it a shot. So I laid down my Simply Gilded washi first, and then I'm laying down the washi from the kit, and then I'm just going to go in and cut it with a ruler and my slice tool. And this seems to work super well. I really liked how it turned out, and it was so much simpler than trying to guess where the middle of that line is, since the pattern is all the same. See, I just think that came out so clean and nice. So I'm probably going to be doing this from now on. I think it turned out really good. Obviously, when there's like the faux double washi, then it's a lot easier to cut, but this was super nice. So now I'm going to go in and lay all my full boxes in. I put the quote box in the corner for the sidebar. It says, "I put a spell on you." And what I'm trying to do is just decide where I want to stagger the colors of the flowers, because the backgrounds have varying colors, like the taupey color, the black, and the pink, as well as there are two actual boxes with actual clip art on there. So I wanted to make sure those were not next to each other. So I'm just going to go in and white out all the sections that all those like little dots that you will see from the glitter headers, and I'm going to stagger my glitter headers like I usually do, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have laid down all my full boxes and glitter headers, I'm going to get started on the sidebar. So what I have done so far is just put some washi down from Simply Gilded underneath the quote box. I love how this Simply Gilded washi looks, the Stardust coloring. It really works with the way I plan because I often mix metals. So this washi has both silver and gold on it, and I love how that looks. And it just makes it easier for me because it looks more cohesive in the way that I use my washi, because I don't really care if it's gold or silver. So this kind of just ties it all together and makes it look more uniform. So then I took a half box from the kit that I will fill in later for the highlight for the week. And then I took some more Simply Gilded washi underneath that. After that, I took a dinners header and a weekly sidebar box to mark the dinners for the week, which is what I'm filling in right now. And then at the bottom, I have a next week header and a 3-heart checklist. and then at the very bottom just a piece of washi from the kit. I also took a flag from the kit and put it at the top left-hand corner. So starting on Monday, I took an appointment label from the kit and layered that with a music note to mark that my daughter had piano that day. Then after that, I put some Simply Gilded washi down. I used this black washi. I love this washi. It is so nice. I don't know, I've always wanted black washi. I know I can't use it a whole lot throughout the year, but I really love it. It's so pretty. So then I did a lot of printing and cutting this day, so I took a laptop and work script sticker. Mondays are basically my biggest days for printing and cutting because my husband doesn't work on Mondays, so I'm able to get a whole lot of cutting and stuff done because he can be with my kids during the day. Then I took a quarter box from the kit and meal icon from my shop to mark that I made pizzas in the evening. Me and my husband do this a lot. We will make about 6 or 8 pizzas in one time and then freeze them all so that we have quick meals on days that are just too busy or I forgot to take something out. It's just so nice to have those in the freezer. Then I took a TV icon from my shop to mark that I watched Gilmore Girls. I just started rewatching the series and I love that show. It is so good. I love it. At the very bottom then I took a glitter flag and a filming icon to mark that I filmed and edited my video that day. So for the start of Tuesday, I took a preschool sticker from my shop just to mark that my kids had preschool that day. Then I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark I did some more printing and cutting. And then I took some of that dark gray Simply Gilded washi to separate that. The last thing I did in the morning was take this car icon to mark that we picked up some stuff at Connie's. Connie's is like a U.S. depot. We live super close to the border, so we can go to the U.S. depot to have stuff shipped and picked up so we can save some shipping costs and some time with the shipping as well. Then I took a flag from the kit and layered that with the computer icon to mark that I did some designing that day. And the last thing I did was take a half box from the kit with the balloons to mark that it was my sister-in-law's birthday dinner that day. For Wednesday, I did more work, so I took another laptop and work script sticker. I also did a bunch of designing, so I took some arrows from the kit and I marked that I did some designing. Now, this was something I've done differently. I haven't done this before, but I had to make 2 appointments for my family. So I took a phone icon from my shop, and then I had 2 things. So I cut down a 3-heart checklist from the add-on sheet, and I used that to mark the 2 different appointments that I had to make. So one was for my dog's haircut, and then one was for my husband's eye appointment. So I really like how that looked. I think I'll probably use that in the future. It's just something a lot different than the typical header on top and then the checklist on the bottom. I really like how that looked. Now I'm taking another quarter box from the kit and layering that with an asterisk icon from the kit, and I use that just to mark that I went and voted that day. Then I took a book icon to mark that I helped my sister with her homework. And then the last thing that I marked down was that I had a play date. This was actually in the morning, but I forgot to put it more chronologically, I guess. So I just put it at the bottom. I don't really care. And then that's where my daughter wanted to see if her toy would fit into the camera view, so she tried to sneak it in there. And I used the quarter box and layered that with a playground icon to mark that I had a play date. And then I just used some washi from the kit to separate the homework and the playdate sections. Moving on to the second half of the week, the first thing I did on Thursday was mark my preschool sticker, which is what usually I do. And then I took another laptop and work script sticker to mark that I did more printing and cutting this day. I was really trying to get all my sale orders out. I'm almost done. They're probably going to go all out today. And then I took this quarter box from the add-on sheet, and I took another meal icon to mark that we went to Subway for lunch that day. And then I separated it with a piece of washi from the kit. At the bottom half of the day, I took a groomer's sticker, appointment sticker, to mark that my dog got his haircut. So my dog is a Sheltie cross, so he has very long hair and he sheds unreal amounts. So we've always just gotten it just a bath and a blow dried out. But this time they suggested that we could actually shave him. And I've always been told that we couldn't. So I was super shocked to find out that they've done it and been successful with other dogs. So I was totally on board. If it's going to mean less hair in my house, I was all for it. So he looks like a totally different dog. He is so cute. I really love how it turned out. So then I took a glitter flag from the kit with a camera icon to mark that I filmed and edited my video. And then I took an appointment label and I layered that with a coffee cup icon to mark that I went for coffee with my friend Janelle in the evening. For Friday, the first thing that we had on Friday was my son had speech. So I took a speech therapy appointment, I guess, I don't know what to call it, appointment sticker from my shop to mark that he had speech. And then we took a half box from the kit and a playground sticker to mark that I took my kids to the indoor play center. That's usually our routine on Friday. I like to do, I usually take the day off and we do lots of fun things. We don't always get to take the day off, but I really try. And then I took a quarter box from that add-on sheet and layered that with a pumpkin spice latte sticker from the fall bucket list, because I got a pumpkin spice latte when we went to the indoor play center and I really want to mark that. Then I took a flag from the kit and layered that with Busy Lizzie Plans little TN guide to mark that I did some back planning in the evening. I finished up a spread that I had left from April. I cannot believe I have stuff from still that long, but I have a couple spreads that I still need to finish, and I don't know if I should do them on video or if I should just do them on myself. I don't know if you guys want to see such far back plans. I think I have like my July monthly and then another one from August or something left, or maybe another one from July too. Yeah, so they won't be like super current kits, but I don't know, sometimes you still like to see back planning anyways, which is kind of what I do on my channel anyways. For the rest of Friday, I took a quarter box and then a little baking girl from Kaelis Paperie to mark that I baked muffins in the evening. On Saturday, I took a meal icon to mark that I went for breakfast with my mom and dad, and then I took a car icon to mark that I did a bunch of errands that day. I took a quarter box from the kit along with this computer icon to mark that I did helped my sister with her homework again, and then some washi from the kit to separate that. Me and my sister did some bead craft with the kids. You know the beads that you like put on a little form and then you have to iron it on together after, so it makes like an image. So we did that with the kids. It was very fun and it's very interesting. I haven't done it in so long, so it took me quite a little bit to get used to the what temperature to set the iron at and all that kind of stuff. And then I went to my parents' house for dinner that day, so I took a meal icon on a quarter box to mark that. And then me and my sister went in my parents' hot tub in the evening, so I took a bathtub girl from the Planner Mania little sampler sheet that I have to mark that. On Sunday, I spent some of the morning editing a video, so I just took a teardrop from the add-on sheet to mark that. And now I'm taking some more of that Stardust Simply Gilded washi in the pink color to separate. And then in the morning, me and my husband played tag with the kids around the house, so I want to mark that. And I really didn't know, like, I don't have a sticker for tag, so I just took a flag to mark that. In the evening, I started Norwex sale, so I have decided to stop selling Norwex, so I decided to clear out all the inventory that I had. So I took a money icon to mark that. And then I took a piece of washi from the kit and I layered that with a pizza night sticker from Megan Renee Plans. I ended up changing the washi because the half box that I had left was the same pattern and I didn't want to use the same pattern, so I ended up switching that. And then I took a half box layered with a games night sticker to mark that my friends came over and played games that evening. So now I'm just going to go in and put in all my date covers, and I'm going to use the date squares from my shop, the same ones that I always do. I really need to get some transparent ones because I covered up these beautiful flowers and it was so hard to do that. But I knew that my pen just wouldn't show through with the dark flowers. So I ended up doing it, but it was hard because they are so pretty. So I'm just putting those on. I also put in the last flag above Sunday before I put that date cover on. And the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put a family time sticker on my sidebar for my highlight for the week. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!